Hey guys, and welcome back to the Trading Project, where I take you through my journey of learning how to day trade successfully. So, if you watched my previous episode, you would have seen that I took my first three trades, and two of those didn't actually go in my favor and hit my stop loss. I still have my third one here, which is still active, and you can see that it's actually up $500 right now. I'm looking at the trade here. We entered the sell position just up here. Currently, the price is trading around here, and our take profit level is down here at this previous support level. So I'm going to let this one continue to play out, but my aim for this video is to continue taking some more trades and using a market structure to sort of guide me into the direction that I want to be going. So I think in my first video of paper trading, that was one of the main mistakes that I actually did, is I was trying to trade the support and resistance levels, but I wasn't really taking into consideration the current market structure. In the meantime, I did upload a video on market structure showing what I've learned, how to read the current market trend. So make sure you watch that one if you guys are interested. But yeah, I'm going to dive in here and look for some other paper trades to do. So the first sort of opportunity I think I've identified here is in the Euro NZD. And we can see this is actually on a clear uptrend. This is currently the daily chart where it's making new highs and making higher lows. So at least in this last sort of year, I would say, we are actually on an uptrend. But the trade that I actually want to take is on this pullback up here. So you can see, although we've made fresh highs, it's sort of been bouncing up and then trending back down. So I think this price over here is actually getting quite stretched, and we are soon due to see a pullback down to around here or something along those lines. So the position I'm going to be taking here is a short position, but I'm going to have a very strict stop loss just in case it breaks out and goes to the upside. So what I'm going to do is actually enter a one lot short here, just aiming to make a relatively quick scalp. So I'm going to set quite a strict stop loss on this one. I'm actually going to set this at 1.43, so a $250 loss. And my take profit level, I will set this at around 1.82, just over here. So if we get this sort of pullback down to here, it's going to be a nice $1,100 profit. And if it trends up higher, then we're going to lose $250 on our stop loss. So around about a 4-to-1 risk reward. Again, just betting on the fact that it is making higher highs and it's due for a sort of pullback up below here. And if it does trend higher, like I said, we're going to have our strict stop loss. So I am going to set that order in now. And you can see here, I'll switch to the hourly chart just so it's a bit more clear of what we're trying to do. Yep. So this is our stop loss up here. We've just entered the trade here, hoping to get this. Actually, I might move this a little bit higher to, I guess, like a previous support. So I can modify this trade. And let's say closer to 1.825. So something like that. Yep. So, yep, that's the first trade that I will be watching. So the next trade I'm actually going to go into is on the AUD USD, and if you remember, this is actually one that we got burnt on. So you can see here, this is the previous support and resistance analysis we did, and we identified this resistance up here and the support down here, and we actually entered a long position around here, but it's actually broken through and we did get stopped out. The reason why I actually want to go the other way on this now is we can clearly see on this daily chart that there's no real levels or support levels that's going to stop this from going down. We can see the market structure is actually trending down. We're making lower highs and lower lows. So I actually think that we're going to be retesting this sort of area down here, which is also what the target is on this IC Markets C Trader. So I'm going to enter a short position here, and I'm going to set my stop loss at around 0.645. So just actually a little bit higher, just above this previous support level that we identified. And I'm going to set my take profit level down at around 0.63, just over here. So around a 1.5-to-1 risk reward. I do think around here, this will be a level that we get to. Again, this would be the support level, so I'm just taking it a little bit higher at 0.63. So I am going to place this trade in now, There you go. So we've entered this short over here. I'll take profits down here, and our stop loss is just above this previous support zone we identified. So yeah, these are the next two trades I'm watching. Again, this CAD JPY, we're still keeping an eye on this one that's up 500 right now. Overall, after the first video, we are down about $400 in our paper trading account because we did start with 10K. And yeah, I mean, we'll see what happens with these ones. I've just switched over to the hourly chart as well, just so I can show you guys what I'm seeing. So you can see on the hourly chart, we've got a very clear downtrend. We're making lower lows and lower highs consistently. And again, this is probably going to be the key level around here, 0.6375. If we can break below this, then we should see a pretty clean run down all the way through to our target level with no support levels to sort of hold that price up. So that's going to be it for this video. I'm just going to stick to 3 trades at a time as I did previously, just so it's very clear what we're trading and what we're watching. I will keep paper trading, I guess, for the next few weeks or months, just to see if I'm actually profitable. And if I am, or I feel like I've got a strategy that works, then I will start trading on a live account. If not, then I may just look at other markets to actually trade. So if Forex doesn't work, the next thing I'll probably be looking at is just the stock market. I do, in my own time, do a bit of investing and researching in stocks, so I might take that sort of interest and try and put it on this channel so you guys can see how I would think about trading stocks, and that will obviously involve a little bit more about research and fundamental analysis as much as technical analysis. So if that sounds interesting, stay tuned. But yeah, at the moment, I'm just going to be focusing on Forex. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned if you want to see what happens with these trades and my future trades. If you can like and subscribe, that would mean a lot and help me out. And see you guys all in the next one. Thank you.